Okay, so this is going to be a short little tutorial on how to create max and min lines within Google Sheets. So to start things off, I have just some generic data for time and position. Now, when you format your data, be sure to have what you want to put on the x-axis in the first column, and then what you want to put on the y-axis in the second column. So let's just take a look at what our data looks like. So I highlight the data, I go to Insert, Chart, and then Chart Type. I'm going to scroll down to a scatter plot. And then if I really want to add a best fit, which we will anyway, I go to Customize, then under Series, I'll put a trend line. Looks pretty linear to me. And then I want to see the equation. Okay, so there's my plot. All right, and so what I want to do now is just talk a little bit about max and min and the logistics of it. So I have here my uncertainty, and this could be based on measurement, it could be based on some random error that you have in your lab, but whatever you establish this number to be, you could put it down on some cell, or you can actually just, well, I'll show you how to just import it. Import it using the equations. So just what this means now, my max slope is going to be the steepest line that I think it could possibly be. And so if we're thinking about this max and min line, my maximum best fit will be on the bottom edge of my first data point to the top edge of my last data point. And then my min fit will be from the top edge of my first data point to the bottom edge. And you can kind of see that now we're just going to have to put that into the equation. So my max fit, we just said, is going to be equal to my y value of my first data point minus my uncertainty. So I start my equation off with the equals, and I'll just click the two boxes, hit enter. So that makes sense. And then my max fit, my last data point, it will be equals my y value of my last data point plus my uncertainty. And then for my min fit, we said it was going to be the top edge, so that's going to be my y value plus my uncertainty. And for my max fit on the top edge, it's going to be the y value minus my uncertainty. So equals the y value minus my uncertainty. Okay, so here's what's cool about Google Sheets, is if we have this formatted and we want to add three series, one the original data series, and then the second series being my time with my max, so this will be my XY coordinate for my max fit, this will be my XY coordinate for my the upper edge of my max fit, and then for the min fit it will be my XY coordinate for my bottom edge, my XY coordinate. So I can highlight all three of these numbers. Now the order of this max and min doesn't matter, but the X data has to be in the first column, the Y data has to be in the second column. So I go to Insert Chart again. I'm going to do the same process that I did just a second ago. I'm going to put on Scatter, go to Customize, Series, Trend Line, Linear, Label, Use Equation. So now I have my best fit, and you can see that in blue on this graph, my max fit, that's in red, and then my min fit, which is in an orangish color. So I hope you found this helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. All right, thanks for listening. Bye-bye.